just to make it, you know. Hi beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, my name is Stella. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I post any new video. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. Thank you guys for the love, thank you guys for the support. I really do appreciate it. So on this channel, I talk about my life here in the UK, what is happening around me, and I share information. So today's video is proudly sponsored by Kickfy. So I've got my box here, I've got my Nike Air Force. I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys, and I'm going to tell you guys all you need to know about this product, all you need to know about this company, and why you guys need to go and check them out and get your Nike Air Force. If this looks like what you're going to be interested in, sit tight, watch from the beginning to the end, because I'm going to be rocking my Nike Air Force. So let's do the unboxing together, guys. God, it smells nice. Honestly, you guys need to check their website. So I'm going to try it on for you guys to see the fitting on my leg. So guys, this is what it looks like on my leg. So I've got a big foot. I usually wear size 8, but I went for size 8.5 because I just wanted to give me a little bit space on my leg, but I think I should have gone for size 8. But anyways, I love the fitting, I love everything about this shoe. You can see what it looks like. This is a must-have. So guys, go check them out on their website. You guys are going to see lovely trainers, different type, different color. Honestly speaking, I love the fitting, I love the texture. Oh my god, this is a must-have. Honestly speaking, I'm going to be flexing it today for AMAKA. Hey, and they've got some extra stickers just in case if anything happens to this, I guess. So yes, this is some extra one I've got. Honestly speaking, I so much love this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. I'm going to leave all that you need to know about this brand on the description below for those of you interested, and you can also go check them out on Instagram. Trust me, they've got lovely trainers. Like I said, guys, I'm going to be rocking this today for AMAKA. Yes, this costs £175 on their website. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video, Kickfy. I so much love these trainers. I'm definitely going to rock it today.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys, so we are done. We're about going out for our AMAKA end of the year party. So yeah, so this is me on our native, you know, attire. I don't know, but this is what I just have to wear. So this is me rocking my Kickfy Air Force Nike shoe. So for those of you interested, go check out their website. You're going to see lots of beautiful trainers. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much Kickfy for sponsoring this video. I'm enjoying these trainers. So go check them out. So now I'm going for my AMAKA end of the year party. Let's go, guys. So guys, we just arrived at the venue. It's freezing out here. I don't know if you came in early. You know, African people, they like African time, eh? I'm going in there now. So yes, I don't even know. I think I'm even lost. Okay, yeah, this is the place.
I tell you, enjoy your Monday. You know, like if you like today, the way your head of people enjoy your Monday. Believe me, they will speak English and they will speak like never before. But Igbo language, they can only hear it from you. Onye isi anyị kwụrụ n'azụ, Kolesi kwụrụ n'azụ, maka dịka onye na-alụ ndụmọdụ na-alụ ọ ya bụ anyị ga-aga n'ihu. Daalụ nro. Tupu anyị aga n'ihu, anyị ga-ewe ọjị maka na ọjị bụ ihe a na-akwanyere ugwu n'ala Igbo. Anyị ji ohere a na-akpọ Chibake Uchiọma of our life na Kibidebebịa nwa ọjị tupu anyị aga n'ihu. Maka na mmemme ọbụla a na-eme bụ mmemme ndị Igbo ma ọjị apụtaghị ya mmemme ahụ ebidoghị. Ekewara anyị ọjị sa.
Igbo State. Enugu State.
Eh? I need you.
Igbo Queen.
Yeah.
Queen.
Yeah.
Queen zone.
He is the creator of heaven and earth, the Alpha and Omega. In Igbo language, we have names for our God. In Igbo language, we call our God Chukwu Okike Obioma, Chineke, Chineke Obara, Chineke Mose,
Oh yeah.
Ebubidike,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. next day.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So yesterday was Igbo AMAKA end of the year party. I'm sorry about that video because I'm sure some of you don't understand Igbo. So but I mean, I'm Igbo girl, so expect anything. I always say this on my channel. I talk about my lifestyle and I share information, so expect anything guys. For those of you that subscribe to this channel to be watching just job adverts, I'm sorry to disappoint you because on this channel I'll be sharing everything. I'll be sharing my lifestyle, that's like vlog. You guys are going to be seeing lots of that and other opportunities. So it's not just job. Please, I remember posting a video when I went shopping to get this Christmas tree. Somebody was being so rude. If you're being so rude, honestly, I might end up replying you in a very horrible way that you will not like, because I see no reason why you go to somebody's channel. The kind of comment you want to drop is just to insult somebody. If you don't like the video, then you just keep and, you know, watch another person's video. Why will you start insulting me? I cannot be sharing job every day. So if you want to be watching only job, please go and search other channel where you'll be seeing jobs. On this channel, I'm going to be sharing everything. So this channel is versatile. It's all about everything. It's all about my lifestyle, information. So expect anything, please. Guys, please don't be rude. I'm a human being like you, and I can always make a mistake. The best you can do is just to correct me. So I see no reason. This YouTube journey is not easy. It's not easy. YouTube is for the strong. If you're watching this video and you're planning to start your YouTube channel, just be strong. Expect anything from people. Honestly speaking, some people don't even know you, but the kind of some people don't know you, but the kind of horrible, comments they'll be dropping sometimes is heartbreaking, honestly speaking. But what can I do? I just have to move on. If you don't know me, don't judge me by just watching my videos. You need to see me in real life. You need to know me in real life. Anyways, that's by the way. So guys, I'm going to be unboxing this. Today is 4th. Yes, today is 4th. But I don't know when I'll be posting this video. I have so many vlogs in my phone, so many vlogs, but to edit it is the problem. If you're a content creator, I don't know how you guys cope. Those of you that post every single day, I don't know how you guys edit your videos, because me, I try to do the same, but I cannot meet up. My mom is around. For those of you that don't know, my mom is around. She came in end of November, and I could remember telling my friends that now YouTube, I'm going to be posting every day. Hey, my people, I was not able to do it. Every day is sleep, or sometimes I'm not even in the mood to film. So like this YouTube journey, it is well with our soul. So let me open this and do my unboxing. I bought this from Asda, and this is 6 feet. This is 6 feet, so I'm going to be fixing it now. Okay. So guys, how are you all enjoying the season? Well, here in Huddersfield, nothing much is happening. You can see that's why Igbo people have to do end of the year parties, just to keep us entertained, just to have fun. Okay, voila. So this is the Snow White. Oh my god. This is my first time trying this, so oh my god. Hope it's what I want to. Hey. Okay, let's put it here. My last year Christmas tree was black. The previous year was green, and this year I want Snow White. And yeah, that is it. So I just hope it's going to turn out well. I want to surprise my daughter because she went for she went to school. When she comes back, she'll see Christmas tree. Hey, let me take this out.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
So how is Christmas? How is it going in your area, in your country, in your location? How is it going? Because here in the UK, nothing really much is happening, especially with the bad weather. You can see it's dark, and this is just 3 o'clock. but it's dark. I just tired for this UK. I don't like setting Christmas tree because left for me, I will not even put Christmas tree. The reason why I'm putting this Christmas tree is because of my daughter. Mommy, when I was putting Christmas tree, and she will start expecting present like Christmas gift here, but I'm not putting nothing because once I put it now, Mommy, let's open it. She'll not wait till Christmas, so she want to open it now. So I'm not putting any present now. I'm not putting any Christmas gift now. Okay. Let's put the next one. Abby, is it this one? I don't know. Let's just keep trying it and see what happens. So I'm supposed to open everything now, but I don't think I have that time to be opening all the things. I don't have that strength and time. I can always spray it next time. Just to make it look full. Just to make it, you know. Okay. Okay. We're getting there, guys.
Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
We're gonna dance.
Come on.
We're gonna dance. Have a good time. Dance. All night long. We're gonna dance. And have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
2,000 years later.
So guys, hey, I finished my Christmas tree. Honestly, this Christmas tree took me ages. Like, I'm not good with decoration, so I'm not good at all. Took me time, so all I need to do now is to get some presents and wrap and put them here, which I'm not going to put any present now until a week to Christmas before I put some present here, because if I put it now, my daughter will obviously want to open it. But that is by the way. If you watch this video to this very end, thank you for the love. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
All I see is snow.